Hello, in the question we have given that a billiard ball whose mass is 1 kg. So we have given let's say MB is the mass of the billiard ball, that is equals to 1 kg is given. So it's 1 kg. Further, and a big piece of chewing gum whose mass is 0.2 kg. So let's say MC is the mass of chewing gum, that is equal to 0.2 kg, are moving to at each other. So suppose we have this billiard ball. So this is billiard ball, and here we have this chewing gum. So they are moving towards each other. So they are colliding. So they will collide. So they are saying that the billiard ball has an initial velocity. So this billiard ball, let us call this as VB, the initial speed, and that is given to be 4 meters per second. And this C is moving with an velocity of 20 meters per second towards the left. So this is how the scenario is. So now what we have to do is we have to find the final velocity of both the chewing gum and this billiard ball when they stick together after colliding. So after colliding they are sticking together and they are moving with a common velocity. So we have this, and they are moving with some common velocity. Let us call it as final velocity. So in order to find this, we will use the law of conservation of momentum over here. So using the conservation of momentum, so we know that, so it is initial momentum is equals to final. Initial means before collision and final means after the collision. So initial momentum will be this mass of billiard ball times the velocity of billiard ball, the initial velocity, we are calling it as VB, plus this mass of this chewing gum into this velocity of chewing gum, that is equals to, after collision they are sticking together, so it will be MB plus MC times the velocity with which they both will move. Now in order to find this, so now here we have the velocity and the directions are important. Now suppose if I take this, so VB is moving towards the right. So if I consider this to be 4, so this will be minus of 20. So we will plug over here. So mass of this billiard ball is 1 kg times velocity is 4 plus mass of chewing gum is 0.2 kg times the velocity is minus of 20 meters per second, that is equals to 1 plus 0.2 times Vf. So from here if we see, this is 4 plus, now let us plug this minus sign, pull this minus side out. So this 2, so 0.2 into 20, so 2 is 4, so I get 40, so and a point, so this is 4, and that is equals to 1 plus 0.2 times Vf, or we can write it as 1.2 Vf. But here 4 minus 4 is 0, so which implies that final velocity is 0 meters per second. So after sticking they both will not move. So this is the final velocity, so which indicates that after sticking they will come to rest, they will not move. So with this we complete our solution. I hope you find the solution useful. Thank you.